The VELOCIFIRE TKL mechanical keyboard TKL02 is a compact and practical option for users who want a reliable mechanical typing experience without taking up too much desk space. With its 87-key tankless layout, it removes the number pad to create a more streamlined design, making it ideal for smaller workspaces or setups where mouse movement area is important. The layout keeps all essential keys within comfortable reach, while maintaining a clean and efficient footprint. Equipped with brown switches, this keyboard offers a tactile, yet relatively quiet typing experience. Brown switches are known for providing a subtle bump during actuation, giving feedback without the loud click commonly associated with blue switches. This makes the TKL02 well-suited for office environments, shared workspaces, or home use where you want mechanical precision without excessive noise. The tactile response helps improve typing accuracy and provides a satisfying feel during long typing sessions. The wired connection ensures stable and consistent input with no concerns about battery life or signal drops. Plug-and-play functionality makes setup straightforward, allowing you to start using it immediately without complicated software. The keystrokes feel responsive and reliable, supporting both productivity tasks and casual gaming. The ergonomic design contributes to comfort over extended use. The keyboard's angle and key spacing feel natural, helping reduce strain during long typing sessions. The white backlighting adds a clean and professional look, while also improving visibility in low-light environments. It's not overly flashy, but it serves a practical purpose and enhances the overall aesthetic. Build quality feels solid for its category, with a sturdy frame that stays stable on the desk. The keycaps are durable and designed to withstand regular use without quickly wearing down. The compact form factor also makes it easier to transport, which is useful for students or professionals who move between workspaces. Overall, the VELOCIFIRE TKL02 mechanical keyboard delivers dependable performance, comfortable brown switch feedback, and a clean tankless design at an accessible level. It's a strong choice for anyone seeking a balanced mechanical keyboard that handles both typing and everyday tasks with comfort and reliability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.